Okay, so this does have dual boot Ubuntu on it, but every time I turn it on it just goes straight to Windows. Now apparently it's lost the, I think you call it the GRUB, the Ubuntu GRUB. So I've downloaded a little line of code that you have to put into the command prompt, and we'll see if that works. Hopefully it should bring that GRUB back up and I'll be able to select Windows or Ubuntu. So this is the little command line I've got to put in. There's a lot to it, so I'll put it in the description. You're supposed to run it a command prompt under admin and then just input it. So it said operation completed successful. I'll just put bcdedit in, so bcdedit. It is pointing to that address that I put there. Rewind is some sort of EFI software manager. I used to use it on Apple, so I'm not sure how this works, but we'll see if it does. So I'll just restart and see if it goes to. First of all, I'll stop the recording. Right, so I'm going to restart it now and see if it works. Yep, it's found it, so I can choose Ubuntu or Windows. See, that's a good method of doing that. Easy.